Hey folks, today I want to show you a little advice I can give you concerning the conversion of figures. This time my theme is making rivets and 28mm figures. Sure, on buildings you can use small beads and stuff, but I just saw in pictures that Titus has rivets around this edge of the shoulder pad. And somehow Games Workshop didn't sculpt these in this miniature, so I have to add them. To do so, I used these small stuff from water filters. I don't know from which material these small balls are, but they are quite fantastic to add them as rivets on small stuff like this. To add them, it's quite easy. I just pour some into something, an open lid or something like this. And then we need some sealer. In this case I use gloss sealer, but it doesn't matter totally which kind of sealer it is. Paint it on the surface where you want to have the rivets, and then try to catch some of these balls from the lid. It's important that you try to catch balls from the same size. And then add them in a manner that looks quite good. I use this, I think it's 3mm. Yeah. It's a little bit difficult to catch it on the camera at the moment, this angle. I hope you can see something in the end. It's important that you try to get the same distance between the rivets. You can see it. Don't forget the back side. The back side is important as well. And try to find always balls that are nearly the same size. Only if they have the same size, it looks as if they are the same kind of rivet. Now we have rivets here. I guess this one here is a little bit too big. So let's try to find a smaller one. This one looks promising. Okay, now you can see the whole shoulder pad has rivets all around it. The pattern on the downside of this thing will be free-handed. Now we have to do it on this in the same way on the other side. Now again the task to find rivets of the same size, or balls. I know you can print out shoulder pads with rivets, but in this case that's no option because the shoulder pads have special insignia on them. Is too big. You can simply grab them with a moist brush. This one is too big as well. Yeah, and now both have rivets on them. So the next step we have to do is now to paint the shoulder pads. So, but at first these have to dry, and then we can add a layer of color. If you like this small tutorial, please leave a like. Please follow my channel. Yeah, I love every feedback I get, and yeah, feel free to tell me how you like my videos. See you next time. Bye.